All right, now I'm camera GoPro ready. I've been catching every video with my smart glasses from Meta. So now it's all set up, guys. You'll see we just got 3 redfish. 2 of them were pretty much slot size. I got a nice gator trout. It was 20 inches. Alex just got that 3rd redfish, a little bit on the small side. So let's see what else is biting, guys, so stay tuned. Basically, we spent our morning cast netting these nice pilchards, and really this is what's hitting. We pretty much got like an inshore slam already today between both of us. This is either a trout or a snook. Pretty much all you need is just a little hook right there. That's how we've been catching everything.
You have to turn your bilge on.
Ooh, got him. And that'll start recording.
Woo! Jump up.
Got a jumper. What? It's a trout. No, it's a nice snook. Yeah, so I could get a picture of him. All right, now I got my inshore slam.
One spot.
Yeah, right. God dang.
He jumped to avoid the nut.
Oh boy, nice snook. Let it go. I got my own inshore slam. Nice snook. Good little fight. Jumped up in the air to get my bait. Yeah. Good fishing day, guys, off pilchards. He's nice, 21. Good little catch. Thanks for the fight, buddy. All right, one thing with snook, guys, you're always gonna have a frayed line. I do not recommend, from personal experience, I do not recommend for you to recast this line the way that it is frayed. Trust me, you get that big fish, you will not land it and he will break you off. So what you want to do is basically go ahead and cut up high, you know, where there's no more fray. And what you're going to do is reset that hook and get back in the water. Already got our targeted species, guys. Got a few snook early in the morning. Alex did. Got our redfish. I got my trout and I got my snook. So Alex is missing a trout for his inshore slam, but with us 2 on the boat, we already got it. I already got a hit. Got a nice one on. Right. All right, this is what I caught. A little snook. Still a great little fight. All right, love catching these guys. Look at that mouth. Boy, I can't begin to tell you guys, when you get a great bite like this in the same spot, it just makes the day all worth it. So keep fishing, guys, and stay tuned for what else we catch. Nice. Alex with a nice one.
Right.
All right, Alex got our 4th redfish, and I end up snagging a needlefish. I really don't like touching these things. These needlefish could actually go all the way back into their body, and I don't really want to do that. So Yeah, they have sharp teeth, and that is not fun. Okay, another nice snook for the books. Right. And again, Alex is on a roll. Oh, I think Alex got a nice redfish. Let's see if we get that other one. Which way is he going? Oh, he has a screamer. See there. The fish is trying to go back into the mangrove trees. Oh, that's a nice one. Might be even bigger than the one that he caught. He's gonna go ahead and come in, just because that fish keeps biting him everywhere. Got a nice one on.
I'm coming to you. Oh.
Which side do you want me on?
On my left. I'm gonna keep them on the right here.
Nice fight, guys. Same spot. We haven't even moved.
You need to give me space if I need to go over there.
Wow. Full red. You got him. This one's not coming in easy. Oh yeah! We got him! We got him! Nice bull red. I think this one's even bigger.
These aren't cutters.
Got that. Whew, show them to the camera real quick. Check that out, guys. Nice redfish. Yep.
Picture.
Slab,
Come on.
baby.
30. Get that.
30 inches.
Get that.
Fishing couldn't get any better than this today, guys. Keep staying. Keep watching. Thumbs up. All right, so not much has happened ever since my camera decided to become really hot to film. So our buddy ended up getting almost a 28 snook, which that was cool. Our bite has already been slow, so I'm guessing that the fish has been moving. So they're not here again, so now we're just gonna have to wait here, guys. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed that we get some more species. I've actually caught a couple of mangrove snappers, but nothing worth it, you know, nothing worth showing. So stay tuned, watch what we catch. Here are some clips from my Meta smart glasses. Just gonna keep them here just in case. Oh baby, boatload. More than that.
I don't know. I'm gonna feed Eddie too.
Oh, you got a cat. I think it's a shark. Oh, big red.
Nice rod.
Fuck yeah!
Oh.
Yeah, baby! That's a tarpon. He's about to jump. Permit. It's permit. It's a permit. Am I going under the boat?
Okay.
Oh.
What do you need to do?
Nothing, nothing. He came out. He came out. Oh, it's a big jack. Big jack. Overall, we had a successful day catching our targeted species with our inshore slam. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thanks again for watching. And if you want to see more content like this, please make a comment below, like, share, and subscribe for the next episode.